You may have faced an error such as the "Your call cannot be completed as dialed" error when you are trying to call someone. If you've also been facing errors like this, here's how to fix it in this video. The first and basic fix is to restart the phone that you are using to make the call. If you come across an issue like this, chances are it might be a temporary glitch. The quickest fix is to restart your phone. Once your device finishes restarting, try making a call to see if it is working as expected. If you are dialing numbers with an ISD code, the problem might be with the code. While most ISD codes start with plus, followed by the code or 00, some devices interpret it as a normal digit. This means your original number of plus 1123 or 0023 becomes 123, which might cause the call not to connect properly. If this happens, you can try to either call without attaching the ISD code as a prefix or double-check the code before dialing the number. Wi-Fi calling allows you to use your Wi-Fi to strengthen your mobile network and place calls even with extremely low signal strength. Therefore, try enabling Wi-Fi calling on your device. Here's how to do it on your Android device. Open Settings on your phone. Tap on Mobile Network. Now scroll down and tap on Wi-Fi Calling. Finally, enable the toggle next to Wi-Fi Calling. If this feature is already on, try disabling it to see if your calls work properly. On iPhones, launch the Settings app and tap on Mobile Service. Now tap on Wi-Fi Calling. And finally, toggle on the setting if it is not on already. If this feature is already on, try disabling it to see if your calls work properly. If you've been repeatedly seeing error messages like when calling a particular number, it might be time to look at your device's block list, as calling a blocked contact might not yield the best results. Here's how to unblock it on Android. Open the phone app and go to Recent. Here, tap on the three-dot icon. Then, tap on Settings. From the Call Settings menu, tap on Block Numbers. From the list of blocked numbers, locate the number you are trying to call. If you find it, tap on the X icon in front of it. On iPhones, launch the Settings app and scroll down to Phone. Now tap on it and navigate to Blocked Contacts. Now swipe right on the number that you wish to unblock. That is it. Now try calling the number again to see if you face any issues. Hopefully, you are now able to make calls again with your phone and are not on the receiving end of the phone call error on your iPhone or Android. If you like this guide, make sure to follow and subscribe to Guiding Tech for more tutorials related to your everyday technology. And make sure to check out one of these videos. We think you might enjoy.